Everyone. So in this series, right, we are discussing all the PySpark possibles question and how to read the PySpark from basic to advanced. So like in my previous video, right, we have did few multiple or duplicate multi-line operations over the flat file. So what today we are going to check, where there is a function drop duplicates and distinct. So like there might be a question, right, arise while reading the data frame. There could be few duplicate issues. Might be the record are duplicates, so how we will resolve that? So suppose I have another file, flat file, and which is of like data of the Shark Tank. Okay, all the season data. So let's see how we will handle that. So I have just given the Shark Tank location over here. I have given the header as a true as of now, and I'm trying to read that file. So let's read that, and once I'll read, right, after reading that, we will print this. So we have been read this file. Now uh, s- we will check out the output as well. Uh, so what we have, the season number, a startup name, if we so episode number, pitch number, and season start date, season end date, like this, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to check the count, like how many total values are there as present. So we have 478 total record, right? So if we will use the distinct, we want the distinct record. There might be the case like we have the duplicate issue, right? So we will copy the cell output and we will paste it over here as of now for our reference, and we will look into the uh, like distinct record, and we will try to print this. Just give this distinct is equals to df Shark Tank, and let's do this, and we will print this distinct one. Just dot count. We require the count of this. So let's check how much count we are getting. Like earlier without distinct, right, we were getting 478 record. So there are not a single duplicate if we'll go like this. But if you want to check onto the particular column, right, columnar labor data, so how we can do that? So for that, what we have to do, we have to use the drop duplicates. Drop duplicates is an PySpark built-in function which help you to drop the duplicate based upon the particular column. So suppose I want only distinct season number. Okay, so how we will do that? Let's look into this. If you'll use drop distinct, and we will give it at the column neighbor season, so we will get only the distinct season number. But if you'll use the startup name as well, right, in that, so let's use a startup name. uh, just give the comma and give the startup name. Control Z. Now let's run this. So what it is doing, it is taking the season number distinct as well as a startup name distinct. So we will get according to that, right? So it it's taking group of the column. So if we have the composite primary key and we want to drop the duplicate on top of that, so we can use this drop duplicate value. Okay, and like similarly, like if you have to do the select the single column, there might be the question like if you will tell that we by the help of distinct we can select all these distinct record. But if interviewer could might ask you the, you have to select the distinct column, how do you will select that? So by using drop duplicate we can select that particular distinct column. So this way we can handle these two. Now in next video we will go more deeper into this type of the operation, like how we will handle these all things. So let's like subscribe to the channel and follow the playlist if you have not followed it.